In this video, I'm going to show you how to lip sync in HeyGen. Now, if you want to try out HeyGen for yourself, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and you can check it out from there. So to actually use lip sync, you want to go to the avatar section over here, and then you have two options. As you can see here, this is basically kind of the main one over here, which is going to be the quickest one. But if you want a bit more like alternatives or a bit more options, you want to go inside AI Studio over here under avatar, and it's going to open up this AI Studio where you can create your lip sync with your custom character. So as you were able to see here, I had a character which was made by default over here, and then I uploaded this one in here. You can just add a look here, you can design this with AI, or just upload a look from your computer and you can use this one. But for now, we're gonna go with this one, and one more is right now loading. As you can see, we'll check that out, which I generated with AI over here, just to show you how that looks. Okay, so that's essentially the first thing you have to do. Now over here, when you select your character, you want to select the voice for that character as well. You could go ahead and of course use this voice doctor over here, or you could just go ahead and essentially switch a voice to your own voice. So if you want to clone it, you can clone it over here. It's going to show you exactly how to do this. I'm not going to bother you with this right now. You could also just upload audio, as you were able to see over here. So you could upload it, a audio file of your voice, and use that. Or you could just design one or import from third party, or of course you could go to the HeyGen library and you can find different voices in here. But for now, we're just going to use Cassidy, which is this default voice over here. Okay, then you can set your accents over here, the voice engine, speed, volume, etc. I'm just going to leave it as it is. Then you have the motion engine. So if you want the most precise motions, you'll need this Avatar 4 or IV, and of course the other one which has unlimited usage is the Avatar 3, which is the version that was before that. Of course, you have the advanced settings over here as well. So if you want to use like full body motion or lip sync only, you can select, but I'm just going to do, for this example, I'm going to use the full body motion, and of course you could use lip sync only if you want to as well. Then here you have the backgrounds. You can customize them, remove them, make them a specific color, etc. And then you have different layouts. It could be original or it could be like inside of a circle, up to you depending on what you are trying to create. And then you also have the radius, the zoom over here, so we can zoom it in like that. You can change radius, etc. Okay, so let's check if this was generated. There we go. It actually generated kind of a spin-off. So I can just basically click on a different one here and it's going to change it in that specific command. So let's actually use this one for our video over here right now. Okay, so those are essentially things you have to do. Then you can go over here. You have like the AI tools, media elements, etc. But these are kind of the main things you're going to be using if you want to create a lip sync. Now, as you can see, this is not actually completely up there. So I'm actually going to make this one a bit bigger. I'm going to put it in here like this, and there we go. That's going to suit my needs for now. Okay, then what you want to do here, of course, is just go and type in your script, and you have to use slash for commands if you want to use those. I'm just gonna go very basic. Of course, I could go slash over here, and it's gonna do like add pause. You could go ahead and use script writer. You could record audio, upload scripts, etc. I'm just gonna go ahead and say hello there, how you doing? Okay, how are you doing? Let's just put that in here, okay? Now, of course, whenever you do that, you can add scenes, etc. But by default, I'm just going to use this one. So whenever you are ready, you can see down here, it says you basically have the ability to kind of preview it and render your scene. Okay, so I actually clicked on the render scene over here. Depending on how long your video is over here, it's going to take like a few seconds up to a few minutes, and whenever that's rendered, you'll be able to see how this actually looks in action. Okay, you'll be able to play it, and it's basically going to show you how it looks like. Now, for now, only the audio has been processed because it's still rendering, but whenever that's finished, you'll be able to see it as well. There we go. As you can see, it says scene rendered. Let's see how this looks.
Hello there, how are you doing?
There we go. Now it doesn't make sense because it's a girl voice. Of course, I should have changed this, but for now it's just going to work. Okay, so that's essentially how you can lip sync in HeyGen. That's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.